Yeah, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Victor Obasuyi, and the channel is My Take on it with Dr. Victor Obasuyi. Today, I'm going to be addressing one of the questions that popped up when I did my last video on contact lenses. And this question is also very common at the clinic. And patients come in, the question is, how often am I supposed to replace my contact lenses? Or sometimes you find patients that have had the same contact lenses for, like daily wear contact lenses, they wear for up to 1 week, or bi-weekly they wear for up to 1 month. They don't know when to replace their contact lenses. I find this very common, especially people that order their contact lenses. Among people that order their contact lenses online, I've also seen cases from people that got their contact lenses from doctors' offices, but I think miscommunication somewhere. So I'm going to address the question. Contact lenses comes in different types. So it depends on what you're getting, and it's something that you should discuss with your eye doctor before you order one. It's not a one size fits all. Uh, I'm going to be talking about the soft contact lenses because I think that's probably the most common one everybody uses these days. Soft lenses comes in two types. In terms of replacement schedule, there's the disposable ones and you have the non-disposable ones. So the disposable ones usually are in two types. The daily wear, which means you wear during while you are awake. When you need at night time, you have to take them out. That's why it's called daily wear. So the daily wear also comes in two different options this time. You have the disposable, daily disposables, which means that particular lens, once you put it in your eye, at the end of the day, you must throw it away. That's why it's called daily disposable. Then you also have the daily ones again that can be used bi-weekly or monthly, which means the same lens you can use every day when you are awake for up to 2 weeks if it's the bi-weekly one, or up to 1 month if it's the monthly ones. So at the end of every day, you take out the contact lenses, clean them, leave them in your in storage solution. By the next morning, you put them in again. You use them till evening, take them out. So if it's bi-weekly, you can use for up to 2 weeks before you throw that lens away. If it's monthly, you can do the same thing, repeat it daily, up to 1 month, get a fresh one. So this is for the daily wear lenses. Now, we have the one that's called the extended wear. These ones are made from a different material. So first and foremost, the daily wear ones are recommended for um, people that don't use their contact lenses every day. So those ones are the ones that use the daily disposable. So if you just go to party maybe like once or twice a month, of course you don't need to spend money buying the monthly lenses. You can just buy the daily disposable. When you go into a party, you put the contact lenses in. When you come back, take them out before you go to sleep and throw away. Advantage to this is hygiene. So it is more is the best option for the eye in terms of hygiene because chances of infection is very slim. Or sometimes people that play sports, if you don't do it every day, maybe you only go to play sports once a month, there's no need buying the monthly type when you can get the daily ones. You use the daily one when you're going to play sport, you put it in. When you finish, take that contact lens, toss it out, no problem. But if you use your lenses every day, of course you're not going to be buying the daily wear ones or the daily disposables. If not, you're going to spend a lot of money on it. So that's where you separate them, the daily wear. So daily disposable and monthly or bi-weekly. Now, another category is the extended wear. These ones are made from materials that allow more oxygen into the eye. So you can extend it for up to a week. So you can use the same lens without taking them out for up to a week before you take the lenses out, clean them, and then leave them in storage solution to be reused. So this is called the extended wear. These ones you don't have to throw away. You can use the same lens up to a year, so long as you keep your make sure that you and your doctor are on the same page. Then now we have the one that is called the continuous wear. The continuous wear one means the same lens you can use for up to 1 month. That means you can sleep in them up to 1 month. You don't need to take the lenses out. So again, depending on your lifestyle or the habits, what you do for a living. So you and the doctor are supposed to agree on what is best for you. People that do a lot of traveling, they don't want to be taking their lenses in and out at every point because of the inconvenience. Of course, they can go with these ones. But again, you have to remember that the longer you leave the lenses in the eye, the higher the chances of infection. So that's the disadvantage of the um, like the continuous wear one or the extended wear compared to the daily wear. Also, there's one we call the hybrid. Hybrid one is not disposable, but sometimes you can fall asleep in it and it's not a problem. So you can wear for a long time, fall asleep in it is not a problem. So these are the different categories in terms of how often you should replace your contact lenses. Usually before you buy your contact lenses, between you and your doctor, depending on the type of contact lenses you're going to get, they will advise you. But it's not okay for you to buy a contact lens, maybe this daily use contact lenses and or daily disposable and use it for up to 1 month. Patients come in and oh, but I don't feel any. It doesn't bother me. I can still see clearly with it. True, but you're asking for trouble. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. So again, we have daily wear, we have the extended wear, we have continuous wear, and we have the hybrid. Depending on what the type of lens you have, is what determines the time that you should be disposing of them or replacing them. So the non-disposable ones, sometimes you can get up to a year or two of it, use out of it. It depends. All right. So if you have any questions, leave them for me in the comment section. I will definitely answer them at my earliest convenience.